time later. Thank you so much. So with the mic. Alright, gentlemen in front, you keep us on. Thank you.
First of all, welcome to Pakistan. What do you expect from the pitches over here, and how do you look forward to carry the momentum for the World Cup final?
Well, if I've done a bit of research, so I think the pitches might be slower now. I think it maybe might be a lot like India. So yeah, that's what we'll be expecting. And yes, we want to carry the momentum from the World Cup. I think it's good to come to a country like this and actually experience it, so it's not too set on like an England-based pitch. So yeah, hopefully we can continue with that.
Pakistan is a very big cultural country. Do you have some expectations to see in eating other than playing?
Yeah, firstly, the people are very friendly, yeah, so I must say, very, very nice to us. I heard about a pani puri or something like that. I actually had that in India, so I did ask about it this morning, but you get a sweet and a chili one. So yeah, definitely I'm keen to try those things, and I think the girls also, a lot of times at breakfast, there's different meals, so yeah, I think we'll be trying a few of those.
It's basically a first tour here in Pakistan, and Pakistan women team is pretty solid over here in their home, so they usually beat anybody comes there, they are pretty solid. So how do you take Pakistan over here, and talk us about PCB is also thinking about the women cricket league. They might have some exhibition matches over here before, so if that is the case, you will be there or not?
Definitely. I was hoping you'd actually ask something like that. I think this is a good country to come to. I have, like I said, I've done a bit of research on like the historic of this this ground every year. So I think if they can actually have exhibitions like that, I think it also help Pakistan and just other countries as well. So yeah, I think that'll be good.
Yeah, this is Zubair from Express News Karachi. First of all, welcome to here in Pakistan, and hope that you will enjoy the tour. My question is regarding the Pakistan team. How you compare Pakistan team and South African team? And the second question is that after the series, you have to face a tough series, home series. So what do you think about that? Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think every team is special in their own way. I think Pakistan might have a lot of spin, which actually works maybe beneficial to you guys as cricket pitch. So I think they're also a very good team. I mean, we saw what they did in the World Cup there. They actually excelled massively in that World Cup, so hats off to them. So I wouldn't compare it maybe in a sense of we might be more a power-hitting team than them, but then you look at Mina Dash, she can clear the boundary easy. So I think you guys also have very, very good players.
What about the expected home series you have to face with home series in your country? Yeah.
What about it?
I'm asking about the home series after the Pakistan. You will go back, so you have to face the home series. What do you say about that?
I think it's good to have a back-to-back tour. So once again, we know our pitches in our own country. We know New Zealand. We've played there many, many times. So I think it's good to have a back-to-back tour. Hopefully, by this, will actually set us up for that series.
First of all, welcome to Pakistan. And how do you rate Pakistan women cricket team here in Pakistan and Asian condition? Do you think it will be difficult for you guys?
I think it will be. I think we're going to have a challenge, not just because it's the first time we're in Pakistan, but like I said, the girls actually have a lot of talent. They're very good spinners and good hitters as well. So yeah, I think we're going to have a bit of a challenge. I don't think it's going to be a walkover. I think it's going to be a good series.
Yeah. Can you update about the captain and two other girls when they're coming and about the physio?
Yes. Yes, the captain will fight along with my Zan Cup, and making the club will be arriving tomorrow, as well as the physio as well.